Hey guys, Keith here with Alien Drones. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it. It's always good to see you. So in these uncertain times when we're full of anxiety and not sure when we're going to get out again and do the things that we love, I thought one of the ways I could alleviate a little bit of this anxiety, hopefully, was by doing a giveaway. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away this Drocon DC-08 drone. Here's a GPS drone. It's pretty cool. Does some pretty neat things. Did a review, which I will put that video up here so you know what that's about. And I'm just simply going to give it away to one of the subscribers. Now there's a few rules. I'll keep this short, but hopefully it should be a little fun. And in a few weeks I'm just going to pick somebody and we'll send this thing off free of charge. So here are the rules. Rule number one, very important rule, you must be a subscriber and you must have notifications turned on the channel. If you do not, you will be eliminated right off the top, so don't do that. Rule number two, in the comment section of this video, which is the giveaway explanation video, in the comments, tell me which drones you already own, if any. If you don't have any, that's okay, just let me know. Rule number three. In the first video I did, which was the review for the Drocon drone, in the comment section, you need to write down what you would do with this drone if you were to win it. You know, would you be photographing something? You'd just be learning on it just for fun, backup, teach somebody, whatever makes sense for you. I just want to know what you would use this drone for. Rule number four. Alongside of the comment that you just put in, you need to tell me how many times I said the manufacturer's name, Drocon, or Drocon, in the video. You need to put that number alongside of your comment in quotes so that when I search on it, I can find those who had the right number. And that's it. I wish you all the very best of luck. I really do. I wish I had a drone to give away to each one of you guys. I truly do. But of course I don't. But there will be future giveaways, so if you don't win this one, there's always next time, of course. And in a few weeks, I'll go through all these comments, pick a winner, and I'll get in touch with the person who wins, get your mailing address and all that stuff so we're all square. So that's all I have for you today. Again, good luck, and until next time, good flying.